second chapter of B High Book Class 9, The Sound of Music, written by Deborah Cowley. Okay, and this before the beginning of this chapter, let's have the word stop. It means the difficult word of this chapter. Let us discuss. Slight. Slight means small and thin, very small, very less amount. Aspiring musician, those who wants to be a musician. Aspiring scientist, those who wants to be a scientist. Okay. Impaired, weakened, not hampered, not working properly. Okay. Percussionist, those who plays drum, tabla or other instruments, etc. Enormous. Enormous means huge, large amount, very big, more than required. Okay. Now accomplished, to fulfill, or to fill up the vacancy. Priority. Priority means giving the importance. What is your priority? My priority is to be a professor. My priority is to be a scientist. My priority is to be a musician. So this is the priority. Resonance, echoes of sound. How the sounds make. Potential, the quality or ability. What the potential you have? I have a potential to speak. These are the called potential. Okay, workaholic. Workaholic, drink, drunkard, alcoholic, those who always wants to drink. Similarly, workaholic, those who always wants to work, habituated. Okay, now we will start the chapter with the key points and the character of this chapter. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, we have already discussed the word stop. Now we will discuss the main character. The main character of this story is Evelyn Glennie, Isabel Glennie, or Ron Fox. Evelyn Glennie, the story of the girls, name of the girls, and Isabel was her mother, and Ron Fox was her tutor, who have taught to recognize the sound through the body parts. Okay, see. Now let's start the chapter. The sound of music. It means we are talking about some special type of sounds that brings the change and that makes the difference. Okay. Suppose we are hearing a number of advices from a number of persons every day, but there is no effect upon us. But the advice of someone brings a huge changes in us. That is the special type of advice. Similarly, number of sounds exist, but this sound is something different that makes the changes. Okay? Sometimes we work hard, but some special kind of work that brings the success or changes in our life. Okay? That's why the writer having the sound. It means a special kind of sound of music. Okay, see. The story is, first of all, no one can stop us to gain success if we want. It is sure. If we have found determination, if I want to be an engineer, if I want to be an aeroplane pilot, if I want to be a scientist, then no one can stop. Even the physical impairment or any difficulties, disabilities cannot stop us. It is the mere challenge for us to fight against and find the way to get the success. But most of us, exactly 99% or most of us, live that path. We don't want to fight. Always remember, there is two sides of the same coin. One is head, one is tail. Similarly, our life has two sides. One is dark and one is light. If today we are in dark side, tomorrow we will be in light side. If we don't want to live in dark side, then how we will get to the light side? Similarly, my dear friends, if you are in trouble today, you will be in happier mood tomorrow. If someone have earned today, they will enjoy the life tomorrow. If they are sleeping today, they can't enjoy the life. This is the root motto of this chapter. If you want, no one can stop. Don't make a lame excuse. Sir, I have no brain. I can't apply. This is impossible for me. This is the made excuse made by us. But the God says, if you want, nothing is impossible for us. Okay? Or simply it has been said, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. It means everything is possible for a human being. See, no one can stop us to get success if we want. Okay? If you have desire, strong desire, intense desire, then you will get whatever you want. Next, God has gifted everyone with certain unique quality. Don't underestimate anyone. Even the beggar have some special quality. You know, till then we do not recognize the work of a barber, but today the barber has also got talented. Till then we have not recognized the importance of cycle, but in these days of COVID, there is a huge importance of cycle. A number of things we are not providing, we are not giving importance to the online classes earlier, but these days the online classes has got the popularity. I am also providing the content through the online materials. This is the God wants to tell us everything. If I am physically well, I have lack of brain. I am physically looks better than other. If someone has looks bad, they have good brain. Similarly, the girls and anyone's, even you, me and anyone have some special quality. It is the viewers. Either they recognize that quality or not. Okay? See, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Suppose I am working hard to live better life, but I don't know where I have to go. I am working aimlessly. There is no aim. There is no target. It means the working hard is only a futile things, useless thing. But if we are working and we know that where I have to go, that is the way to get success, and we will get success anyhow, or no one can stop. Even the God says you have unique power, a special quality. We have heard this boy, this girl is not studying well, but I know he or she is better in some different field. It may be sports, it may be GK quizzes, or it may be other subjects. So it's our responsibility, or the responsibility of the teachers to recognize that particular quality of your students. Similar things happen in this chapter. There was a girl named Evelyn Glennie who was physically impaired by hearing. She can't hear anything. When she was, the start of this chapter deals with when she was 17 years old, and at the platform, underground platform, she was waiting for the train. Because it was the first day of her Royal Academy of Music, London, where she got admitted, and everyone was waiting on the platform, and she was smiling. There is a reason everyone was waiting there and knows the train is half an hour late. but she is smiling in spite of fearing. She is smiling, and there is a reason to smile for her because she recognized the sound. She recognized the sound by the vibration of the platform, and no one can recognize the sound. Although she was deaf, she can't hear, but she recognized, perceived the sound coming through the platform. Okay, now let's start the real story or the second paragraph. When she was 11 years old, her teacher reported that, and once before that, her mother was calling, Glennie, come to play piano. But she can't hear, she didn't respond to the call of her mother. But in the school, number of teachers have complained to her mother she is not hearing well, and there is a hearing problem to Glennie. And after all, her mother and father heard the problem and got consult to a specialist for the treatment, and where the practitioner told she got sound impaired. It means she can't hear anymore because due to gradual means slowly damage of the spatial nerve cause her deafness. Now when she went to school, her teacher, Ron Forbes, percussionist means those who can play drums or tabla, etc. He recognized the quality of Evelyn Glennie and told her, don't listen through your ears, try to listen through your body parts. And he played the drum, large drum and big drum, and she feels that she can hear the large drums by the upper portion of her body, and she can hear the lower drums through the lower portion of her body. Okay, now after that she is having a lot of practice, and after a lot of practice she got accustomed, habituated to recognize the various kind of sounds like a normal person. Although she was deaf, okay, and after that she never looked back and performed at various places, first of all within the group, within orchestra party and with other members of the, and after that she start performing solo performance. Solo means single, giving the single performance. Okay, and after that she had won number of awards like Royal Academy Awards of prestigious Royal Academy Awards, Royal Academy of Music Awards, and number of awards that brings name, fame and money for her. She started playing xylophone and say she can hear the sound, various sound created made by the instruments, and she can recognize, she can sing with other, she can dance with other, and a number of performances brought the name, fame and money for her. After that she made a number of, she won Royal Harmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award in 1991, and she gave the her performance in jail, hospitals and for others enabled or disabled children. She always donates She donates for deaf children. She donates for deaf children, and she was the shining star for the disabled or deaf children and handicapped children. Okay, it means we have learned from this chapter that don't make a lame excuse. Sir, I can't apply my brain. I have no brain. I am physically impaired. I am mentally impaired. That is the lame excuse. The God tells that I have taken away one quality from you. It means I have granted the other qualities in you. Similar things happen with the every living. Okay, if you want to be a winner, then you must have to apply your brain, and there should be a teacher who recognize your potentiality to change it into a good way, so that you can get success, name, fame, and whatever you like in your life. And it all depends upon you, what you like and what you want. No one can stop. Don't make a lame excuse. Next time we have learned from this chapter that we don't make lame excuse. Try our best and find our potentiality to get the success in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, and please go through the line by line reading of your original NCERT book. Don't go through the duplicate. Okay? Go through the original NCERT book, read line by line, and do the question answer of the chapter inside and outside. It means in question answer and mid question answer. It will be better for you. Thank you.